Stop scrolling.
This cheesesteak bowl is one you're gonna crave. Shaved steak, caramelized onions, peppers, mushrooms, and melty cheese all in one pan. No hoagie.
Still 100% cheesesteak vibes. I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking. To start, you'll need shaved steak or thinly sliced steak, or you can even use ground beef if that's all you have on hand. Let's quickly slice about 1 onion, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 large green bell pepper or 2 small ones. You want to cut each end off.
Then into strips. This one's strong.
I ended up using about 3/4 of an onion.
Slice your bell peppers into strips as well.
I love mushrooms, so we're also going to slice up a few. If you don't like them, you can skip them. This is an 8-ounce package.
Now to a large pan on medium-high heat, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado oil or any high smoke oil. Add your onions and stir for about 2 minutes or 3 for slightly caramelized onions. Now add your mushrooms and cook another minute. Toss in your bell peppers, then season with salt and pepper to your taste and half tablespoon of garlic powder. Cook until the peppers soften and the onions are slightly caramelized. This takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, transfer to a plate temporarily. Back in the pan, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add your steak. Season with salt and pepper to taste, half tablespoon of garlic powder, and half tablespoon of thyme. Flip or toss until slightly browned. Then add 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. The correct pronunciation is Worcestershire. I hear so many people mispronounce it. I know it's a tough word. It comes from Worcestershire, England, and it's a savory fermented style sauce with a deep, tangy, slightly smoky taste. It adds an umami flavor. Mix in the sauce for a minute or 2. If you're using shaved steak, it cooks super fast, about 1 to 2 minutes. If it's thin strips, just cook until browned and tender. Now add a layer of half your veggies on top. Then add a layer of provolone cheese. Don't you just love the cheese? Then top with the rest of your veggies. Wait, I feel like I need a couple more slices in here. I love that cheesy goodness. Cover the pan, turn the heat off, and let the residual heat melt that cheese, or keep it on low until it's gooey. Now let's take a look. Cheesy goodness. Serve it over a bed of white jasmine rice. Now for a low-carb bowl, swap rice for cauliflower rice or lettuce. I like to finish it off with a sprinkle of pepper. This cheesesteak bowl is going to be your next weeknight obsession. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be serving it with white rice, cauliflower rice, or lettuce. So good. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.